Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to convert gallons into liters in Excel. So here I have taken in one column gallons and now I will convert into liter. So the formula will be equal and convert, press tab, and here you can see number mean which value you want to convert. So I want to convert this 10 gallon and insert comma and then from unit. From unit I want to convert gallon into liter. So I will write in parentheses GAL. And please keep remember that these codes are very specific, means you have to use those codes which are acceptable by Excel. So I will write here liter and liter code is small l. Even if you write here capital L, say I will write here capital L and inverted comma and close the parenthesis and enter. Here you can see it has given the error. So I will remove capital N and I will write small l and enter. Here you can see it has converted. So use the specific code given by the Excel or acceptable by the Excel. Now drag it to the remaining and here you can see it has converted gallons into liter. So this is how you can convert gallons into liter in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.